Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best hand mixers, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best hand mixers options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which hand mixers is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus. From whipping cream to kneading bread, you can't beat the Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer with storage case. This kitchen tool mixes ingredients evenly without the need to stop and scrape the bowl. Sails through adding ingredients with ease and can even handle kneaded yeast dough to make smooth, elastic balls as well as the human hand. The on-off switch and speed controls are intuitive to use, and the mixer is always slow starting, so you never get an initial spatter of flour in your face. Of all the mixers we tested, this one has the most helpful manual, which even includes recipes you might actually want to make. The stainless steel attachments are dishwasher safe and can be stored in the included snap-on storage case snapped on the top of the mixer. The only drawback is that this is a pretty noisy hand mixer, although it is certainly nowhere near as loud as a blender or a hairdryer. Number 2. Black Plus Decker Easy Storage Hand Mixer. Although the 6-speed Black Plus Decker Easy Storage electric hand mixer isn't fancy, it does come with great attachments. It includes 2 wire beaters, a whisk attachment, and dough hooks, and it more than holds its own when it comes to whipping, mixing, and kneading. This mixer has the ability to create clouds of creaming butter and sugar and egg whites with stiff peaks quickly. Unlike some at this price point, it cuts right through cookie dough and mixes in ingredients evenly. It isn't speedy at mixing ingredients for cakes or bread, but still delivers perfect batters. Operating this mixer is a no-brainer. There's only one control that you click forward to turn on and select a speed. The manual recommends hand washing all the beaters, but we didn't find as much of a downside as they easily rinse clean. Number 3. Braun MultiMix Hand Mixer. The Braun MultiMix wows us with its speed and performance as well as its convenience. It mixes cake batter quicker than most other hand mixers, and although it doesn't come with a whisk, the mixing beaters deliver a highest volume while whipping egg whites. On this model, the weight of the motor is up front and not under the handle, making it easy to hold during time-consuming tasks. However, this configuration also makes it tall, and therefore it will move less fluidly through thick dough than some other options. The speed dial is very easy to set before you turn the Braun on, and if you stop to scrape or check on your progress, you don't have to reset the speed when you continue. This is the only mixer without air vents, which makes for easy cleanup with no batter to pick out of slots. Plus, all of the beaters can be safely cleaned in the dishwasher, and you get a bag to store them to prevent them from getting lost. Number 4. Breville the Handy Mix Scraper. Breville's the Handy Mix Scraper comes loaded with an impressive array of features. It boasts a light and timer that both turn on when mixing starts, with a pause button for ease of use. And the included beater IQ senses the attachments and adjusts the speed regardless of the setting. In spite of this, the Breville doesn't offer top-notch mixing performance. It is one of the slower models and the only one we found that struggled a bit to knead enough dough for 2 loaves of bread. The timer feature is also not as helpful as anticipated, as the more intuitive move is to press off instead, causing you to lose track of time. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Hand Mixer with Snap-on Case Talk about no frills. This Hamilton Beach model has old-fashioned beaters with posts in the center rather than the wire ones that are now standard, and dough hooks are not included. There's simply one control that you push forward to both turn on and select one of the 6 speeds and then push down to eject the beaters. However, this mixer gets the job done and is faster than many at mixing cake batter and cookie dough. You have to hand wash the attachments, but even with the center post, cleaning is not particularly difficult. The one extra that you get is quite useful, a case for the attachments that the mixer snaps onto for neat storage. Number 6. Go SmartStore Hand Mixer. At first glance, the small, lightweight, brightly colored Go SmartStore mixer with a single set of beaters seems like a toy, not a serious appliance. But although it was one of the slower performers out of all of the hand mixers, it's able to competently handle all the mixing tasks you might throw its way. The Dash doesn't create the fluffiest whipped cream and won't move as easily through cookie dough as we might like, but it will still produce beautiful cookies as well as tender sponge cakes if you give it a try. The handle is not particularly ergonomic, and there are only 3 speeds, which are not easy to differentiate between. However, the beaters snap onto the body for storage, making the mixer easy to stash away or carry with you. If a rock-bottom price is your priority and you're never going to try your hand at bread, this mixer is worth consideration. Number 7. KitchenAid Cordless Hand Mixer. If you tend to get tangled up in your cord while mixing a batch of cookies, a cordless mixer might be your dream come true. The multiple speeds of the KitchenAid 7-speed cordless hand mixer help you mix whatever you like, but you'll need to remember to fully charge this mixer for 2 hours before your first use. Once that's done, you can make up to 4 batches of cookies on a single charge, and the speed dial on top of the mixer's handle will let you know your battery level and when it's time to charge again. If you need to make a cake right afterwards, a 10-minute quick charge will get you through. The cordless aspect doesn't take anything away from its power, and we were still able to easily cream butter and sugar, whip egg whites in 1 and 26 minutes, and whipped cream in a little over 2 minutes. That said, being free and easy without a cord does come at the price of slightly more heft. Number 8. Dualit Professional Chrome. The truth is, kitchen tools with too many bells and whistles can be intimidating to the novice cook or baker. So, rest assured, the Dualit will do precisely what you need it to do, without any confusing or unnecessary attachments, buttons, or features getting in the way. Though it has only 4 speeds, that in no way indicates a lack of power. The Dualit whipped egg whites to soft peaks in an impressive 30 seconds and was even able to fold chocolate chips into our stiff cookie batter. A flat base allows you to set it on end between tasks, and it scores high marks for safety.